USB, Autoscope, CKP Crankshaft Position Sensor testing. Malfunction symptoms: difficult or impossible to start the engine, engine misfire, high fuel consumption, poor engine performance. Malfunction indicator lamp on. Possible malfunction: failing crankshaft position sensor, shutter or reluctor wheel defective. Appearance of the sensor. Wiring diagram of the crankshaft position sensor. We connect the black alligator clip to the vehicle body ground. We connect the back probe pin to the signal wire of the crankshaft position sensor. In the program menu, select CSS mode. Click Record. Start the engine. This is how the signal of a sensor recorded on the engine with a reluctor wheel in good condition looks like. And this is how the sensor signal recorded from a damaged reluctor wheel looks like. Conclusion: malfunction in the operation of the crankshaft position sensor have three reasons: damage to the teeth of the reluctor wheel and flywheel runout or movement, incorrect distance between sensor and reluctor wheel, failure of the sensor itself due to mechanical damage, leading to internal short circuits or opens.